Hello everyone. So for number 30, we're going to take a look at an inequality, and it wants us to solve it, and then we'll revisit what it's saying at the end here. They want us to state the smallest possible value of x. But first, let's go about actually solving this. So I'm just going to copy it down. Things we want to keep in mind with inequalities: we might have to divide by a negative at some point. It's usually the trick they add with these. Remember, when you divide by a negative, you do flip the sign. It's a 5. Should be a 5. First thing I'm going to do, I see a 3 outside the set of parentheses. I'm going to distribute. It's going to become 3x plus 9, not 3x plus 3. You have to distribute the 3. Now notice how we have x's on both sides. I'm going to bring the 5x over to the left. You could have brought the 3x over. It doesn't matter the order of how you do things here, as long as you do them correctly. Now I'm going to bring the 9 over to the right. Basically, as always, we're grouping x's on one side, or variables on one side, and numbers or constants on the other. So I'm bringing my variables to the left, which means my numbers are going to the right. So doing the math, I'm going to get negative 2x, and the symbol's still the same. Negative 3 minus 9 is negative 12. Now at this point, I'm going to divide by negative 2. Whenever you have an inequality and you multiply or divide by a negative, we mentioned earlier, we do have to flip the direction of the symbol to maintain its accuracy. Negative 12 divided by negative 2 is 6. So my answer is x is greater than or equal to 6. And now let's go back to the second half of the sentence. What's the smallest possible value for x? So if x can be anything greater than 6, including 6, the smallest that it can be is 6. The smallest x can be is 6, like we mentioned, because it is equal to, or can be equal to, the smallest possible x value sometimes they ask for like the smallest possible integer. The smallest possible x value is 6. It should be a little reminder too, because if you forgot to flip the sign, you would have got x is less than or equal to 6. So when they ask for the smallest possible value, the answer would be like negative infinity there. So that hopefully was a little cue in case you did forget to flip the sign, what you should have done. Okay, thank you for watching.